Good morning, dear student of ninth class. Today we will study about what is chemical formula. The synthesis of chemical formula, we have to know the atomic number of the element, their symbol and their valency. First of all, what is atomic number? Atomic number is the number of proton, their symbols, the electronic configuration, K, L, M, and it is a class valence. These are valencies. This is very easy to know what is atomic number. The number of proton is called atomic number. The symbol is very easy. The symbol of hydrogen is H. The symbol of helium is He. The symbol of lithium is Li. And same kind the symbol of sodium is Na. And what is electronic configuration? Electronic configuration is measured by the formula 2n square. 2n square. Here the n is the number of class. If the number of class is 1, then in number 1 class 1 square is 1, 1 into 2, 2. Second class 2 square is 4, 4 into 2, 8. Third class 3 square is 9, 9 into 2, 18. Fourth class 4 4 just 16 into 232. So same kind is there. So the formula is 2n square. 2n square. Here the electronic configuration of hydrogen is, in first class we will see K class. The second is L, third is M, N, O, P. So first hydrogen in K class 1. We will fill the first class in K class 2 electron. We will fulfill the in K class 2 electron. In L class 8 electron, maximum 8 electron. M class maximum 18 electron, and N class maximum 32 electron. So we will start from hydrogen. In hydrogen number is 1 and the electron is 1. So electronic configuration in first class K class is 1 electron. We will fill 1 electron. Same here in helium, the number of proton is 2, the electron present in 2, and in K class we will fulfill the 2 electron. In lithium, the lithium number is 3, atomic number is 3, the 3 electron present in lithium. 2 in first class we will fulfill the 2 electron, 1 electron is remaining, we will fulfill the 1 electron in L in second class. Same beryllium, in first class K class we will fulfill the 2 electron is remaining, and 2 electron in L class. So same type of electronic configuration we will occur in all the elements. In 10th, in 11th, sodium is there. Sodium, the number of proton is 11, the number of electron is 11. In first class we will fulfill the 2 electron, maximum 2 electron we can fill in this K class. In L class we will fill the 8 electrons, and in M we will fill 1 electron. What in M class? M class is divided in 3 parts, 3 sections or 3 parts. In first section we will fulfill the 8 electron, in second section we will fulfill the 8 electron, and in third we fill the only 2 electrons. So 8 and 16 and 2 18. So here is the electronic configuration of, we can take the example of 20. In 20 calcium is there. In first class 2 electron is there. We can fill only 2 electron in K class. In L class we fill the 8 electron, maximum 8 electron is there. So 10 electron is complete. Remaining 10 electrons we will fill the 8 electron in first section of M class. 2 8 10 is and 8 18. Remaining 2 in the second section of M class. So this is the configuration, these are the configuration of electronic configuration of the elements. Now from the electronic configuration we have to knowledge about what is valency, how valency we get. In hydrogen we fill the electron in K class 1 electron, and in first class K class total electron we fill 2, 1 is remain here, so the valency is 1. If they take 1 electron and they fulfill their valency, so the valency is 1. Here the 2 electron is there and 2 electron they complete their orbit, so the valency is 0. Here before to know about valency we have to know the octet rule. What is octet rule? There is octet rule. Each element want to complete their outer class, so they give and take the electron. If they give electron, positive charge occur, and if they take electron, negative charge occur. So these are the octet rule. Once again, each element want to complete their outer class, so they give and take the electron. If they give electron, positive charge occur, and if they take electron, negative charge occur. Here in sodium, in the case of sodium, in first class 2 electron, in K class, in L class 8 electron, and the M, the section first 1 electron is there. So he have only 1 electron in their outer class. If they want to complete their class, they have to 7 electron more and complete their 8. But 7 electron is very 7 electron, in 7 electron there is a very energy loss, so they give 1 electron, and they give 1 electron, the positive charge occur plus 1. Here in neon, in first class 2 electron and in second class 8 electron, both outer class are completed, so there is no electron to give and take, so their valency is 0. In case of oxygen, in first class 2 electron is there, in second class 6 electron, it means K class 2 and L in 6. We will fill in L class 8 electron, so there is 2 electron is remaining, they can take 2 electrons, so their valency is -2. So these are the valencies of these elements. So dear students, today we have to learn electronic configuration and valency. Thank you.